Guys, we're back on Crazy Shadow and today we're gonna be lighting up some plates. So,